We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and sometimes confusing and often mispronounced ones too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Well, there are two different ways of pronouncing this word, even though the different meanings have the same spelling. So one way is to say it as bow, bow as in to bow to royalty, for example, or a ship's bow. The second way of pronouncing it is as in a bow, as in the bow of a violin, for example, or a bow tie, or bow and arrows, bow, bow, or bow. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.